USA, 3 out of 7. Honestly, it used to be scary, but after all the ESA videos out there, it's not scary anymore. United Kingdom, 1.5 out of 7. Well, this country's ESA alarm is practically just the US's, but even more boring. Canada, 6 out of 7. This is very scary. If I woke up and heard this, I would be thinking the world would end. Also, it makes a really cool jam. Brazil, 9 out of 7. This honestly sounds like the world is about to end. Sweden, 0 out of 7. This just sounds like a bunch of beeps. Norway, 77 out of 7. When I said Brazil alarm sounds like the world's about to end, this sounds like the universe is about to collapse into a black hole. Spain, 3.5 out of 7. This isn't honestly scary, but I can see that it can scare you if it was in the middle